I am Skitarius. I am Sicarian. I am the data tether that connects them. The gun sights they aim down, the eyes and ears of every unit in this battle congregation, the orbital lances that precede their advance. My name is Legion, and I am the destroyer of worlds.
The Legione Skitarii are a military division of the Adeptus Mechanicus. Initially created upon the Forge world of Mars during the Age of Strife, many speculate the Skitarius to predate the Mechanicum, with much of the augmentations used in their construction derived from the Martian clans which roamed its smog-choked surface. Mars rife with Psycarnivora during the era of Old Night, as well as other abominations of tech heresy. To survive such predations, the Skitarii of old scavenged for technologies beneath the red sands, replacing the weakness of flesh to survive. The first fabricated general, rallying such wanderers into a cohesive fighting force to serve at its whim. As the nascent Mechanicum grew in strength, the Skitarii likewise burgeoned into a tech guard of self-sufficient armies. Each army known as a conclave, capable of surviving expeditions far from Mars' soil. With the Mechanicum's integration into the Emperor's Imperium, these soldiers found new purpose as rangers of the Omnissiah. Each conclave specializing in a particular mastery of the machine god's bountiful gifts. Whilst some specialized in the use and recovery of plasma weaponry, others would harness atomantic reactor devices used to power everything from Imperial Knight panoplies to Leviathan patterned dreadnoughts. As many as 30 conclaves said to be established by the outbreak of the Horus heresy, by virtue that each Arch-Ordinata was sworn subjects of the Fabricator General. 2/3 of the entire amassed tech guard defected to the side of the War Master during the Great Civil War. Each conclave divided into 16 Femata, which in turn would be further broken down into 20 Locos, each containing 12 Corpus squads. Each Corpus contains between 8 to 16 battle pilgrims, drawn from the myriad tech thralls of Forge Worlds. The most notable of Forge Worlds being Mars, Agrippina, Graia, Lucius, Metallica, Ryza, and Styges 8. Each fiefdom of the Omnissiah bears a unique crest and heraldic motifs, to which the Skitarii Legion of the future would bear. The foremost conclave known as Vigilus Alpha Omega, tasked with guarding the technological relics of the moons of Phobos, while some clades such as Incursus Omega Psi retain 75,008 warriors during peak performance. Others such as Vigilus Gamma Phi are noted as containing 88,000 during the outbreak of heresy. The standard amassed strength of a Skitarii conclave, approximately 67,584 warriors in strength. When considered as the average for each of the 30 conclaves present during the Great Crusade, over 2 million tech guard would be accounted for by the start of the 31st millennium. Recruited from that birth, conscription, volunteers, displaced refugees, and criminal detritus, now reprogrammed via the clade parameters which govern behavioral protocols, such pilgrims rove the galaxy, imbued with the collective combat skills inherited from prior fallen warriors. Parameters ranging from that of Incursus or Ad Membra Ferax, which bolsters aggression, Excipio or Acquisitor et Cognito, used to analyze relics at even the expense of personal safety, or Specula, i.e. Oculus Omnissior, to act as the eyes and ears of their Arch-Ordinator. Those Skitarii forces bear some semblance of autonomy. All can be overridden should their objectives require such. Flesh-shrived to allow for the outfitting of Voltok arquebuses, Voltok handguns, power weapons, and corpusant staves. Though not yet clad in the ubiquitous robes of the tech guard of the 41st millennium, the battle pilgrims often supported phalanx cohorts of the Order Reductor during particularly hazardous campaigns. The augmentations known as the Corpus Skitarii, easily replaceable and salvageable dependent on the trauma incurred by their user. The process of flesh-shriving is much faster than that of Space Marine creation, and thus capable of manufacturing armies at a fraction of toil. Surgically augmented cybernetic warriors, cleansed of mind to function as the Omnissiah intended. Alongside the Collegia Titanica and Dogmata Omnissiah, these warriors defend the Forge Worlds of the Machine God. Replacing their organs with synthetic alternatives, whether made of metal, bioplastic, or circuitry. Most Skitarii are noted for their puckered flesh, festooned with ceramic valves, adamantium socket studs, and swathes of pale, sun-deprived skin. Their brains an amalgamation of both grey matter and neurocircuitry. All Skitarii have their limbs removed as the Red Planet's due, to replace with more durable and effective mechanical prosthesis, adept at trudging through the dunes of their Forge Worlds. Atypical Skitarii forces fitted with everything from punch card slots, quantum brain housings, steel teeth, or even 5-chambered hearts. It is at the discretion of their senior tech priests how they shall be molded in the image of the Omnissiah. Their eyelids removed to allow for eternal vigilance, for even a blink may interrupt the flow of valuable data. Skitarii breathe not through lungs, but rather cognitive breathers, so that the breath of Mars shall not be encumbered by toxins. Their rad sensor backpacks chiming with alarms to track radiation spikes which may threaten to damage their components. Their lead-lined blessed raiments billow in the wind, collecting harmful energies as their Forge World's insignia professes their allegiance. Experiences of phantom limbs not uncommon among the Skitarii. Though many Tech Guard cannot feel emotions as such due to their implantation of brain partitions, their masters may open the proverbial floodgates once more to make their subjects more compliant. Damage to such components rendering Skitarii emotionally unstable. Should a Tech Guard become disassociated from their own bodies, daily canticles of defragmentation shall be conducted to quell hallucinations, lagging limbs, or other markers for instability. Disciplined, ruthless, and calculating in their implementation of the calculus of battle, the Legio Skitarii engages their foes with incredible precision, communing alike to a hive mind with their coordinated strikes. Their armored divisions during the Great Crusade, replete with Tyros, Karachnos, Krios, and Krios Venator models. Robot automata, such as the Voltarax Stratos, likewise aided their advances, utilizing sensory devices. The 10 cohorts which remained loyal to the Imperium, refuting the authority of Kelbor Hal due to his failure to rewrite their core coding to recognize his position as Fabricator General. By virtue of the carnage wrought during the Schism of Mars, such warriors regarded his standing as forfeit to the Omnissiah's principles. Pledging fealty to the new ruler of Mars, Fabricator Locum Zagreus Kane. Following the defeat of the War Master to usurp the Emperor, the Skitarii which remained were reorganized to stand in line with the new structure of the Adeptus Mechanicus. Divided into legions, who each in turn swore fealty to a single Forge World rather than the appointed master of the priesthood entire. Now clad in robes which wore the colors of their fiefdoms, the Tech Guard dutifully served the whims of their respective Magos. Each legion divided into as many as 4 macroclades, each in turn subdivided into 4 cohorts and a further 3 maniples. Such armies march untold distances on foot, rather than aerial deployment, should time allow for their inexorable, months-long advances. The first macroclade, traditionally garrisoning Titan legions and or Ordinatus engines. Though all macroclades serve their own purpose in their service to the Omnissiah, each of the 12 maniples is identified by commonplace maniple sigils. Deployed to seize or destroy vital enemy installations, rather than crash alike to a vast wave akin to the Guard's purview. Their imbibing with combat stimulants allow for sudden increases in effectiveness, and even regeneration of minor flesh wounds. The Tech Priesthood caring not for the side effects of such stimulants due to the disposable nature of the Skitarii warriors. So long as the Omnissiah's will is manifested, each fallen soldier can be retrieved from the fray, bestowing their experiences to the next to inherit their gleaned insights of warfare. Communicating solely via skit code created for the exchange of tactical data, this bespoke dialect of the Cant Mechanicus allows for fluid binary communications with senior Skitarii, able to utilize noospheric devices when sanctioned. Expert multitaskers who can engage the enemy in combat while simultaneously coordinating allied forces. These souls are not to be confused with servitors due to their hierarchy, which is run by senior warriors of varying degrees of autonomy. Receiving data directly from their Skitarii marshals, whom in turn report directly to their senior tech priests. Their advanced servo-skull uplinks and data tethers allow influxes of information which would overwhelm a junior Skitarius. The effectiveness of a Skitarii legion greatly diminished should their connection to the tech priest be severed. Should data flow remain constant, the Tech Guard far exceed the capabilities of an Astra Militarum regiment by virtue of their instantaneous analysis of battle reports. Skitarii Alphas in charge of all formations within the Tech Guard, whether Ranger, Rust Stalker, Vanguard, or Infiltrator in nature, all are marked by the most advanced augmetics, with barely a scrap of organic parts remaining. Skitarii Alpha Primus, the most veteran of such senior officers. These lone operatives command strike teams and even war cohorts, performing maneuvers outside the bounds of the more rigid Skitarii battle doctrine. Conducting special operations, poring over the ocular feeds of their subjects to assess each squad's visual data. Such are their lack of constraints that Alpha Primuses can disobey direct orders from their tech priest masters should they disagree with the tactical appraisal of their betters. The Skitarii Vanguard, also known informally as Rad Troopers, wading into the most inhospitable war zones of the galaxy. Their war gear bleeds radiation, causing unprotected enemies in their proximity to weaken over time. Safe within their warplate, designed to be worn for years on end. their alpha units lead the vanguards of 4 to 9 warriors to find victory, firing radium carbines, arc rifles, and transuranic arquebuses. The Secutari, or Titan Guard, aiding the Titan legions in their advance to lay waste to the Omnissiah's enemies. Both mag-inverter shield-wearing warriors known as Hoplites and Peltast range specialists are led by their Secutari Axiarchs, clearing a path for their towering masters using arc lances and galvanic casters. Skitarii Rangers, the most widespread of the Tech Guard's forces, specializing in hunting their prey for decades on end, if necessary. Their galvanic, radium, and arc weaponry bore holes in everything at range, whilst their arc mauls bludgeon foes up close. Sicarian infiltrators, forged from the heavily damaged bodies of fallen Skitarii. These hideously augmented scouts emit white noise from their domed helmets during the hunt, as photonic audio-visual spectral static disorients their foes. Their 360-degree field of vision, ensuring nothing escapes their gaze, whether silenced by stub carbines, power swords, taser goads, or flechette blasters, woe betide any target of these scouts, bearing statures of merciless terminators. Sicarian Ruststalkers, regarded as the elite assassination cadre of the Skitarii. These frontline commandos, likewise salvaged from injured Skitarii, form into kill clades which stalk the battlefield. Known by the colloquial term of shivs due to the method in which their transonic weapons tear into their foes, their molecular frequencies part through the densest of armor, whether from the tip of stiletto-like blades or needle-fingered gauntlets. The Taraxi winged infantry, aiding ground forces by attacking in agile hit-and-run strikes. Their additional limb stumps, known as scapulae superior, allow for the fitting of a flight pack to their spines, made from carbon weave materials. All non-essential flesh removed to improve their aerodynamics. Several bones of their skeletons are likewise removed for such a function, enabling variants such as sterilizers to attack with phosphor torches and skystalkers to strike using flechette carbines. Protectors, acting as bodyguards to high-ranking members of the Mechanicus. Though rare in number, such towering robed figures often wear bronze masks, often armed with transonic halberds, as adamantium talismans of the Deus Mechanicus hang from their necks. The Hastori, forming the heavy weapons division of the Skitarii. Whilst Hastori exterminators are armed with eradication casters, their contemporaries of the Fusiliers utilize neutron fusils, with both using shoulder-mounted phosphor blasters as standard. The Sidonian Scatros, acting as sniper support for their frontline kindred. These sharpshooters fitted with stilt-like appendages track targets over great distances using their Achelan eye augmetics, their transuranic arquebuses penetrating armored vehicles to fell anything that lurks within their hides. Their cavalry divisions, replete with Cerberus sulfur hounds, fire-breathing cyber beasts which maneuver through defensive positions buttressed by difficult terrain. Whilst their counterparts, Cerberus raiders, act as fast-moving scout riders. Both mounts carry Archaeotech revolvers, carbines, and power weapons. Iron Strider Ballistarius, acting as the mobile artillery platform of the Tech Guard. Atop gyroscopically balanced platforms, these light-armored divisions fire accurate volleys of both las cannon and autocannon fire. Their variants of the Sidonian Dragoons, equipped with taser lances and radium jezzails. These warrior explorers, first sighted on the red planet of Mars, enact charges through acidic fog and other environmental hazards, piloted by monotask servitors. The Onager Dooncrawler, also known as the Mars Universal Land Engine, or MULE for short, forming the bulk of their more heavily armored walkers. This construct devised by the legendary Magos, Arcan Land, has been modified for war over transport needs. Armed with eradication beamers, phosphor blasters, neutron lasers, and coaxial heavy stubbers, such platforms also carry Icarus arrays, autocannons, Gatling rocket launchers, and Daedalus missile launchers to combat aerial opponents. Other niche special operations members of the Skitarii existing, such as the Sagittari heavy weapons operatives, Skitarii Provost internal security troops, Ballistaria artillery units, and Cataphracti armored transports. For every battalion and subdivision of the Legione Skitarii, there also exist veteran officers which preside over their armies. Praetorians, acting as the elite forces of the Skitarii, given incredibly advanced augmentation upgrades and an array of cybernetic limbs and weapons. Each fabricated general of Mars is protected by bodyguards of the Skitarii Mandragora, fitted with the most prized of combat augmetics. Masters of the Skitarii, commanding each cohort brigade. These warriors, armed with the most potent weapons available to the Mechanicus, employ command staves and radium weapons. Ready to face those deemed unworthy by the Omnissiah, as they embark tirelessly from the industrial outposts of the machine god across the stars. The Skitarii shall cleanse the galaxy of the weak biomasses of Xenos, heretics, and mutants for millennia to come.